Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and you're getting an E3 error and you're wondering what this error is and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So this error is it's a sensor fault for the defrost, which basically means that it's sensing that the temperature is not the correct temperature inside the refrigerator portion of your refrigerator freezer. So there's a couple things that you can do to check on this. Now, one of the things is it could be you just left this door open so long that it's got the thermostat got geeked out and it's giving you weird errors. Or you could have put something big and hot in there, same kind of thing. Another thing that could be happening is that there's a problem with the airflow because, you know, as you probably know, the cooling all comes from the freezer and then is circulated to the refrigerator based on how cold the refrigerator needs to be. So you might have a circulation issue. There could be too much stuff in the freezer blocking the airflow, too much stuff in the refrigerator blocking the airflow. You know, and if you can't figure out with all those things, you know, one thing that can happen is you can have ice buildup, you know, and this is a defrost error. And the way to get rid of this, it's pretty annoying to do, but it's to just let do a full defrost, which is you know, not the machine's defrost cycle, but you actually unplug your refrigerator, take everything out, let it warm up completely, because condensation can build within the walls and freeze, and it's really hard to get rid of that without just letting everything warm up. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.